On track naman kami, on track. And kahit na maliit yung space, at least naayos na natin. Naayos na natin yung mga space. So in prosecution, I understand, will come here to inspect their area. So we'll give them both the defense and the prosecution, bigyan namin sila ng opportunity to inspect their area.
How
I think within
prepared
the
are we
week.
for Monday, sir? How prepared are we for Monday?
We're very prepared. Handa na tayo. In fact, today will be the physical inspection. And then we'll continue to improve as we go along.
Sir, may pre-trial conference pa ba this week for
Wala
the
na.
BIR box?
Wala na.
Ano
Wala na.
nangyayari sa BIR box, sir?
Yung BIR box will be left to the impeachment court to decide.
On
So sa Monday, sir?
Pagdating. Doon sa
Sir, sa
respondent room.
Sir, sa Monday yung pagdidesisyon.
When the time comes, I'm sure in prosecution, pag i-raise yun, then we'll decide on that matter.
So not necessarily first order of business on Monday.
Not necessarily.
Sir, doon lang po kay Senator Marcoleta. Your reaction lang, sir.
Sa possible arrest daw po niya, sir.
Yung filing of case lang.
No comment.
Wala pa naman yung case, kaya mahirap mag-comment eh. So it's very hard to speculate for now.
Or if he seeks protection from the Senate, sir?
Let's cross the bridge when we get there.
May rally about naman sa amin yan, sir. May katiglaan. So alam ko, may rally but I don't know the objective of the rally. Saan po panawagin sa mga nag-rally? Ano ang operation?
Sa mga nagra-rally, nirespeto naman natin yung kanilang karapatan. Pero dapat respetuhin din natin yung kaayusan at yung nag-enforce ng kaayusan.
SPD